Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Dina Amelia from Office Application 2. My goal in making this video is to provide a simple recipe that I saw YouTube reference to make grilled spits that are easy to make at home. How to make grilled sausage seasoning. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of sweet soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons of hot sauce, 1 clove of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 'The first step is to arrange the sausage on the grill stop and turn on medium heat. Tips so that the sausage does not burn quickly when burned is not immediately smeared with seasoning when burning it, but let it until it is slightly browned and then given a spurt of seasoning. When burning the sausage, flip it frequently so that it does not burn. To make the seasoning more absorbent, apply it twice when searing the sausage.